Recently, I was introduced to Herbalife meal replacement shakes. Before then, I had never heard of the product. Long story short, using the product along with diet and exercise, I was able to drop over 12 pounds and close to 4 inches in my waist in about 3 weeks. And it was at that point that I decided to travel the world and visit various Herbalife clubs to hear inspiring stories, check out some great recipes as I continue to live my best Herbalife and help you to live yours. Can you dig that? I can dig it. Dig that nutrition. Let's go. I travel all around the world, I'm seeing different faces and Herbalife clubs in various places. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. Now watch me grind and lose this weight one Herbalife shake at a time. On this episode of the Herbalife Roadshow, I got a chance to visit Temecula, California and hang out with one super cool couple. They shared with me some of their delicious recipes and they talked about what it's like working with your best friend. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Can you dig that? I can dig that. Dig that nutrition. Let's go. What are your names? I wasn't ready. Like mine wasn't ready. Yeah, like the name, whatever you want to go by. It don't matter what the people call you. That was funny.
My name's JJ.
Okay, JJ.
I'm Nocel.
Okay, Nocel. JJ and Nocel. So I'm here in Temecula. How you pronounce it? Temecula, California. Having a great time. Just stopped at another shop previously, not far away from here. That is your upline.
Our upline, her name's Rhonda. Yep.
And she was a blessing, such a blessing.
Town Nutrition.
But I met you through Facebook.
Yes.
And you was like, hey, can you come here? And a lot of people don't think I can come. I'm like, yes, I can come there.
Yeah.
I will come there. Because I'm looking for great stories, people who are willing to share them with me. And just new places. And so I'm excited.
I'm so excited you're here. I'm like,
right?
Thank you. So what are your Herbalife stories? I mean, how did Herbalife find you all? That's a product.
Actually, my immediate upline, Maria,
Yep.
she actually introduced me to Herbalife.
Okay.
We were going to get married 6 years ago, and I needed to lose weight.
Okay.
And that's how I got introduced to Herbalife. I got on Herbalife and lost like 30 pounds.
Wow.
Within like 2.5 months.
Okay.
2.5, 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
Working out and just being consistent. She was doing boot camps, just, working out, getting to the gym.
Yeah.
And when we got married, I got married looking perfect.
She's still perfect.
Getting to where I wanted to be as far as like my weight goal.
Yeah.
So our theme was Beauty and the Beast when we
Okay.
had gotten married. So that's one of our signature drinks that we have here at the club.
Yeah.
Really? You got is that a tea?
Yes, it's tea.
That's
It's
what I
a
want.
tea bomb.
That's what I want today.
Beauty and the Beast.
Yes, it's good too. It's good.
Yeah.
Now what about yourself, JJ? What's your story? Did you start after her? Before her? No, you didn't start before, so you're Herbalife. When did you start the product?
I started a little later before her.
Okay.
Because I was into my whole GNC kind of thing.
Right,
So,
right,
I was
right,
like,
right.
that's more like a feminine product. So I thought, but once I started reading the labels in the back, I'm like, whoa, like, I gotta jump on this.
He did the Herbalife 24.
Yeah.
That's what my son plays
Herbalife
D1 ball,
24.
and so we're trying to get him, and he's on it, and some of his teammates on it as well. So,
Yes.
So what did you notice for like post workout, after workout?
Post-workout, pre-workout, I'm more of a pre-workout kind of guy, so I didn't get the jitters, I didn't get the downfalls, all that, so it's just great. It's just perfect.
Yeah.
And it's more healthier.
And y'all can't see it, when I came in here, I'm like, dude, what are you doing? And he showed me some little 10-pound weight bars. No, I'm doing more than that. He's like, yeah, I can just push up today. Like, no, you don't, man. You look nice size, but he was telling you dropped about how many pounds?
I've dropped about 12 to 15 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And the energy levels and all of that.
Everything's great. I'm more motivated. I'm just more focused.
Yeah.
So I love it. I recommend everybody get on it.
Yeah, that's me too. That's where I'm at now, man. And so since I started these YouTube channels, when I first started, I dropped about 12 pounds in like 3 weeks. And I was like, oh, I can do this.
Yeah.
I was still eating what I wanted to for my meal. Started doing the show, so now going into my 10th week, I'm down about 30 pounds, 6 inches in my waist. And I just feel like working out now. I just feel like doing stuff now. So my wife's like, you working out again? Like, yes, I am.
Yeah.
I just feel like it.
You just feel good.
You do.
You just feel really good. I know, I came in this morning, I was like, let me just freaking get my squats in. My squats and lunges in. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So what made you decide to start a club and just start serving this healthy stuff to people?
Well, I've always been like, I love like being part of the community and always doing something to like help the community or help anybody. It just that's just my nature. Like I feel good when I see that I'm helping someone, or when somebody reaches out to me and makes a difference in their life. I work in dialysis, so that is like a big part of my life where I feel fulfilled, like my calling. So he's a bartender. He is so outgoing. He loves talking to people. But when this whole
well, now you're a healthy bartender.
now I'm more of the healthy bar.
Yes.
So when this whole thing happened, we had just gotten offered the opportunity to take over a club and be your own boss, have your own business, and we just rolled with it, and we opened 2 weeks ago. So now we're here. And he's his own bar. He's got his own bar.
Right.
Bar.
And the beauty thing is I don't have a boss. Well, I do have a boss. I'll say. So I do. But you know, it's more of a chance for us to work together more, because we had opposite work schedules. I never see her. You know, I'll be coming in home. She'd be going to work. So just high and by. And just one day, we get to see each other.
So if I ever come here and it's like doing business hours, and I see like this close sign on the door, we know that you all are probably just having some alone time in the back. That's good. Nothing wrong with that. I love healthy marriages. I love healthy marriages. So that's good news. Good news. So what's your favorite part about working in the club, David, when you do come in?
Spending time together.
Yes, I was gonna say. Spending time with her. A couple of days ago, we were super busy, super busy, and I saw her making a shake. I was making a shake, and I just looked at her, and I was like,
"Don't tell us what you did."
I was making a shake, but I was like, "This is what I like."
Yeah, this is a family channel.
We're working together. You know. So that was awesome. And I just looked at her,
as a team.
I just looked at her, and she was like, "Oh, babe," I'm like, "I love you." That's all I said. And we can make a shake.
Yeah, that's awesome. Don't cry. Oh, that's beautiful. And that's why I love going, because when I started the channel, I said there may be some preferred members on the fence about becoming distributors who want to own their own club. And so I had met a husband and wife team, and so this is beautiful, because there may be some husband and wives out there that's like, you know what? I can see JJ on sale. I can see us doing something like this.
And you know, the great thing about this business is you grow together. You're on the same aisle as far as the same path. So learning and doing self-development, we're both working and doing it. So it's helping us both grow as individuals, but also together. So it's created, our relationship has just grown so much, and we've just gotten closer. Of course, every marriage has challenges, but it's we're even more in love now than we were when we were first dating. You know, so it's really.
I'm going to kiss my wife. In 2 weeks, we'll be married 21 years.
Really?
I got it when I was 6. It was a prearranged. That's cool. So you're gonna make me a Beauty and the Beast loaded tea, correct?
Yes, Beauty and the Beast. Yes.
So let's jump to it.
Okay, babe.
Okay, so you all are making me what kind of a tea?
Beauty and the Beast.
All right, let's get to it. You just tell me what you got going.
Beauty and the Beast ingredient is the collagen, the skin booster.
Okay.
And that's why it's the Beauty and the Beast.
Takes a little bit to dissolve the.
Yeah, that collagen is something else. Okay.
Yeah.
So JJ and Nocelle just made me a Beauty and the Beast tea. They said they was inspired with this particular tea. They made it right before your wedding, correct?
For our wedding, because our theme was
Beauty and the Beast, so we want to incorporate something to the shop with our theme.
And so that's what they did. So you just seen them do it. Now, as far as the Beauty and the Beast for their theme, I don't know who the Beauty was and the Beast because both of them are beautiful people. I can tell you that right now. So they must have had some ugly groomsmen or bridesmaids or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'm excited to try this energy tea. When I tell y'all that I get the energy without the crash at the end, with that lift off and everything they put in it, it's phenomenal. Let me see. This is delicious. And I knew it would be, and I had never tried this before. When you put that strawberry in there, I said, okay, that's really gonna bring out the flavor. Oh, that's good. So good, so good. And it was so crazy. I told her when I came in, I said, I see y'all got a little Starbucks down here on the corner, but I can promise y'all Starbucks ain't got nothing on some of these teas. Nothing.
It's all healthy.
Come on, you hear him talking? It's all healthy. So when I tell y'all to get into your nutrition clubs, more importantly, that if you prefer members of the JJ and the Nocelle or whoever, just ask them, hey, what did you use so I can get some for myself? And so with that being said, I'm here to Temecula, California, just hanging out with some new friends I made, trying out my Beauty and the Beast tea. So, as always, can you dig that? I can dig that. Dig that nutrition. Let's go.